Hi, my name is Charlie Wolford, the owner and CEO at Haven. At Haven, everything we do is built around one simple idea: helping people feel at home. We started in 2018 with a dream to light up Kearney. What began as a small local operation quickly grew through word of mouth, hard work, and the commitment to doing things the right way. With the support of our community and God's blessing, that dream has expanded far beyond Kearney, allowing us to serve homeowners and businesses across multiple states and cities. Today, Haven is proud to be a leading Gemstone Light dealer, specializing in permanent outdoor lighting systems that are both functional and beautiful. Our lighting is designed to blend seamlessly with your home, giving you a clean, professional look during the day and a complete customization at night. Whether it's subtle accent lighting, holiday displays, game days, or special events, our systems give you full control right from your phone. Built to last and designed to elevate your home year-round. But we believe a great home experience goes beyond lighting. That's why Haven also designs and furnishes outdoor living spaces with premium Amish patio furniture. Each piece is built with a focus on quality, durability, and comfort, creating spaces where families gather, where conversations happen, and memories are made. We don't just sell furniture, we help you create an outdoor space that feels like an extension of your home. As we've grown, our focus has stayed the same: serve people well, deliver a high-quality product, and stand behind everything we do. From your first conversation with us to the final installation or delivery, our goal is to make the process simple, professional, and enjoyable. At Haven, we're not just lighting homes or furnishing patios, we are helping you create spaces where people come together. This is more than what we do, it's who we are. Your home, your Haven.